A perpendicular line from O to HK equals 4 cm. What is the length of perpendicular line from 0 to HL? Hence, find a KHL to 1 decimal place. Let us solve the questions if you are ready. Join line KO, LO, HO and draw the two perpendicular lines from O to HK and HL, respectively. KO equals LO equals HO equals radius r of the circle. Label G and M such that HG equals KG equals 8 cm equals HK divided by 2. And HM equals LM equals 5 cm equals HL divided by 2. Recall that. GO equals 4 cm. Given. From triangle HOG using Pythagoras theorem. HO square equals 4 square plus 8 square. HO square equals 80. Also, from triangle HOM using Pythagoras theorem. HO square equals 80 obtained. 80 equals MO square plus 5 square. Solve for MO. MO square equals 80 minus 5 square equals 55. Find the square root of the equation. We have that. MO equals square root of 55. Which is approximately 7.4169 centimeters. Therefore MO equals 7.42 centimeters. To 2 decimal places. This is the perpendicular line from O to HL. From triangle HOG. Alpha equals tan inverse of 4 divided by 8. And from triangle HOM. Beta equals cosine inverse of 5 divided by 80. This implies that alpha plus beta equal tan inverse of 4 divided by 8 plus cosine inverse of 5 divided by 80 equals to 112.98 degrees to 2 decimal places. This is equals to angle KHL. Therefore, KHL equals 112.98 degrees.